If I could do it again, I would have taken more AP credits. I graduated a year early. I was homeschooled. I finished all my credits, took the ACT, on time, and then I just graduated early.
Anything, from, like, the AP stuff that you learned that has carried over?
Writing, the majority of the writing that you have to do for the tests, I found to be quite helpful in writing essays. The rhetorical analysis I learned came in clutch. Hi,
Taylor, how are you?
I am excellent. How are you?
I am doing well. Are you in college?
I am in college.
We're broadcasting live from your dorm right now.
Yeah, indeed.
That's awesome. And you are at University of Alabama Huntsville.
Yes.
What major?
Biology with a concentration of pre-health.
Okay. So how did you ultimately land on that?
I decided that through the job I had working as a coach, I really enjoyed working with children. And from my own experiences with like my dad and cancer, it was something that was really heavy on my heart. So I decided I wanted to combine them. Um,
Okay.
I'm working toward med school to become a pediatric oncologist.
Oh, wow. Okay. So a little bit different from the NASA dream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So kind of walk me through that whole process, like through because you were homeschooled, right?
Mhm.
You decided to would you have would you technically be graduating early or did you graduate on time or
I graduated a year early.
okay.
I was homeschooled. I finished all my credits. Took the ACT, it, oh my goodness, SAT and ACT on time, and then I just graduated early.
Amazing. And so did those AP credits carry over?
hmm the three ones I took, yeah. Well, the literature I took AP Lit, and they don't really matter because since I am enrolled in the honors program, I had to take an honors English, which the AP didn't count for. So
Okay.
I ended up having to take an English anyway, but I didn't mind. The history ones did take 2 classes off of my workload.
Okay. Amazing. And so did you look anywhere else besides Alabama?
Mm-mm. I knew because I was graduating early, I wanted to go closer to home,
Okay.
and it seemed like a really good fit overall. I knew the area, I knew the school fairly well, um, and I knew the school's reputation, which is very important to me. Like, it has a really good STEM focused reputation, which I love.
Right. So what do you think the biggest change has been? You're a freshman, right?
Yes.
What's the biggest change with everything actually going from homeschool to college and everything?
Um, that's a hard question because work-wise, I mean, I guess the only difference is, like, having to actually go to class, like, walk and account for, "Okay, it's a 15-minute walk to get to this building," and such, um, which I guess has been the only, like, time management is a bigger thing.
Yeah.
Not work at your own pace for sure.
Right.
Having, like, straight deadlines and everything like that, but I've enjoyed it, so.
Um, any anything from like the AP stuff that you learned that has carried over?
Writing, the majority of the writing that you have to do for the tests, I found to be quite helpful in writing essays.
Yeah. Even the structures and things like that.
Yeah, they're very similar structures, especially, history kind of has its own thing, but for the AP Lit and Lang, the rhetorical analysis I learned came in clutch, um, a lot. Mm.
Okay. And yeah, I guess just the so pretty much you just do regular decision application and got in,
Mm,
or did you apply early?
I did not apply early. They have rolling admissions, so I think I technically applied a little bit late. And then I applied for the honors program, which was a separate application.
Did you get in?
I did.
Oh, so you're an honor student at that's amazing.
Yeah,
Okay. Congratulations. How's mom doing? Everything okay back home?
she's doing great. She's working on her own projects.
Oh, really? I know I'm supposed to catch up with her as well.
Mm,
Yeah, because you're one of my like original alumni. So I've been circling around, just touching base with them, seeing how they're doing, seeing if you want to give any advice to future students in the programs and stuff as well.
yeah, I say just work hard while you're at it. I'd say if I could do it again, I would have taken more AP credits.
Yeah, why so?
They would have come in handy in order to get in more advanced classes sooner. I'm stuck taking a lot of, like, general education classes, which is beneficial, but for instance, I'm in an organismal biology class, which isn't super important to the major. It's just kind of more of a general thing, but had I had, like, an AP credit, I would have been able to skip it and go into a little bit more harder class sooner. So,
Yeah,
I say, like, load up on APs so that when you get to college, your workload can be a little bit lighter or heavier in a more important, like, having more advanced classes sooner kind of way.
I gotcha. Okay. Um, well, I'm very proud of you. You know, don't need my recognition, but it's nice to see you all growing up and moving on, and definitely want to hear about your progress through the program.
Mhm.
Good luck with med school as well. I'm sure you'll get in. But it was a pleasure having you, and we'll definitely check back in again. I appreciate it, Taylor.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you again.
Thank you for your time. All right, good luck. If you need anything, please let us know.
Okay, thank you.
All right, see ya. Bye.
Bye.